Welcome to the StrucEx retaining wall tutorial. In this session, we'll be focusing on the retaining wall function. You'll learn how to create a new retaining wall design, how to open an existing project file, and how to access your recent files for quick editing. Let's get started and explore each step in detail. When you open StrucEx retaining wall, you'll see three main buttons on the start screen: New File, Open File, and Open Recent File. These options allow you to start a brand new retaining wall project, open an existing design, or quickly access files you've recently worked on. First, let's begin with the New File button. Click the New File button, and a Save As dialog box will appear. Choose the location where you want to save your project. In this example, we'll save it on the desktop. Next, enter a file name. Then click the Save button to confirm. Once saved, the program's main interface will appear, confirming that the new file has been created successfully. Next, let's look at the Open File button. Click the Open File button, and an Open dialog box will appear. Locate the folder where your saved project file is stored. In this example, the file is in the desktop folder. Navigate to that location, select the file, and then click the Open button. Once the file is loaded, the program's main interface will appear, confirming that the file has been opened successfully. Next, let's explore the Open Recent File button. Below this button, you'll see a text box displaying the most recently opened project. If that's the project you want to work on, simply click the Open Recent File button. The program's main interface will then appear, confirming that the file has been opened successfully.